Hello and welcome everyone. This is Professor Siddharth Surana. I hope you guys are doing good. और मैं तो हमेशा मस्त ही रहता हूँ. This video is being recorded for a small concept of CA intermediate related to agriculture income, that is the scheme of partial integration. It is on the calculation of tax when we apply tax rates. And thus, though the concept is for CA inter students, in CA final also, if you watch this and go, it will be good only for you. So let me talk about what is this scheme of partial integration. Let me introduce to you. First of all, we all know that agriculture income in India is exempt under section 10(1). In India, of course. And agriculture outside India will be taxable, but in India will be exempt. Now, when an assessee has both incomes, agriculture income as well as non-agriculture, I will call it taxable income, because agriculture is exempt. So on agriculture income, you will not pay tax at all because it is exempt. But on the other income, which is your taxable income, you will apply slabs. When you apply slabs, again, first 2,50,000, there will be no tax, basic exemption. Then, assuming old regime, you go from 250 to 5 lakh at 5%. Then, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, you go at 20%. And then after 10 lakh, you go to 30%. But if you observe carefully, here also your income is getting initially taxed at lower rates. So we give you small rates like 5%, 20%, etc. And thus somewhere our government believes that the assessee having agriculture income is taking unfair double advantage. How? Take the total income. Total includes agriculture and non-agriculture. In this total, let's make two divisions. Agriculture income, non-agriculture. Agriculture, non-agriculture. On this agriculture income, no tax, and on the non-agriculture income, slabs, 5%, starting with 0, then 5, then 20. So somewhere it is becoming double advantage. Agriculture income, we don't want tax, we will not take tax, we will not take tax, I repeat, we will not take tax. But after taking exemption on agriculture income, now if you again take slab advantage on your taxable income, that's double advantage to assessee, double disadvantage to government, and thus to stop it, we have the concept of scheme of partial integration. Let me explain with the help of an example what exactly is going to take place out here. I have put down everything in front of you. So we are taking the example of an assessee who has got agriculture income of 5 lakh and other income of 15 lakh. If you go by what I was saying, do you understand that this person will be paying 0 tax on 5 lakh, being exempt income, no tax at all. And this 15 lakh will be taxed at slabs, 5%, 0, 5, 20, 30, assuming old regime. That means here also 0% tax because of exempt income. Here also initially 0, then only 5, then only 20. Imagine an assessee who has got only this 15 lakh income. Only this 15 lakh. So he will apply slabs only on 15 lakh. But he is not taking this benefit, and this assessee is taking the benefit of agriculture income, and thus this is the logic. We will reduce the benefit of your other income. Agriculture income we cannot tax, it is not taxable in India. But how much rate to apply on this, that's our choice as government. We are the ones who have given you the slabs. We will increase the slab rate of an assessee. This is the line explaining the concept. We will increase the applicable slab rate of an assessee if you have taken agriculture benefit. This income we will not tax, we will not tax, we will not tax. But because you have taken this benefit you have taken, then on this income, your other income, that means 15 lakh rupees, which we have the right to tax, we will tax it at a higher rate. Not the same slabs which are available to everyone, but a higher rate. That's the logic. For assessees who have taken exemption of agriculture income, the other income will be taxable at higher rates. That's scheme of partial integration. To explain further, if you observe carefully, agriculture income 5 lakh, exempt under section 10(1), and other income 15 lakh, taxable at slab rates. But the rate will be higher. Scheme of partial integration means agriculture income will be added in your taxable income to decide your rates. For rate purposes, the agriculture income will consume the slabs. The slab which is available in 5%, We will not give that slab to your taxable income. That will be consumed by your agriculture income and that slab will get over. If you still have agriculture income remaining, the other slab will also get consumed. Though there will be no tax. So when we are saying agriculture income will consume the slabs, we will not levy any tax on that. But the slab will get over. And thus the initial slabs of 5%, 20%, they will not be available for your non-agriculture income. Your non-agriculture income will be taxed at higher rates. The remaining slabs will be available for taxable income. Some students are like, sir, kuch nahi samjha, sir. It went above the head. Nothing is bigger than logic. Now focus. Focus on the logic. Let's take our example only. 5 lakh agriculture income, 15 lakh taxable income. Correct or no? 5 lakh agriculture income, 15 lakh taxable income. Ordinarily, what do? 5 lakh you will ignore because it is agriculture income. And 15 lakh you will take tax. At what rates? First 2.50% basic exemption. Next 2.5, 5%. Next 5 lakh, 20. And this is your system of slabs. Your income is divided. What I have done here in this line is divided your income into slabs. These are the slabs: 0, 5, 20, 30. 0 to 250, 250 to 5 lakh, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, and after 10 lakh. So first 250, next 250, next 5 lakh and balance. What we will do is, first we will give you your basic exemption on your taxable income. So try to recollect the example. Keep the example near you. You know 5 lakh is agriculture and 15 lakh is non-agriculture, that is taxable income. On this there is no tax, on this there is slabs. No tax, slabs, no tax, slabs, right? What we will do is, first we will take basic exemption against it, because anyways here there is no tax, so basic exemption we have to take on this, used by the taxable income. So 12 point, my bad, writing mistake, not 12 lakh, 12.5 lakh will be remaining to be taxed. So our first basic exemption is over and we have taken basic exemption here. We have taken basic exemption against this. Now do you understand? This 5 lakh is fully remaining, though there is no tax, and from here we have 12.5 remaining to be taxed. Now let's go to the next slab, that is 5%. Normally you would have sent income from here because agriculture income there is no tax. But what we will do is, our agriculture income will come and consume this slab. There will be no tax, don't get it wrong. There will be no tax, but the slab will be over. This 2.5 will be used by agriculture income. No tax. Tax will not be calculated. We are sending agriculture income here only to eat the slab, only to consume the slab, only to exhaust the slab. We are sending this only to exhaust the slab. There won't be any tax here. But the slab is over because agriculture income is already 5 lakh. So slab is over. And now we still have remaining agriculture income 12.5. So see, first taxable income came and consumed our basic exemption, and then agriculture income will start consuming slabs. So 2.5 consumed by agriculture income. Now our next slab contains 5 lakh. We will again send agriculture income. Why? Not for paying tax, but to eat the slab, to consume the slab. To consume the slab. No tax, slab will get over. Out of 5 lakh, we can send only 2.5. Sir, why only 2.5 from agriculture? Because already we have sent 2.5 to consume the 5% bracket, which is why 5% got over. So the remaining 2.5 will come and consume this. That means, can we say agriculture income has consumed the slabs? Slabs are over. Now we don't have this slab at all. In this slab, out of 5, 2.5 is consumed. 2.5 lakh will be used by agriculture income. Because total is only 5 lakh and 2.5 is already consumed over here. Now the agriculture income is over. But do we still have balance slab? Yes. Out of 5, if agriculture income has consumed 2.5, then the remaining 2.5 will come from taxable income. The balance slab will be available for taxable income, and that 20% will apply. So see, normally if you go by normal system, you will apply no tax here, and this 15 lakh you will send throughout these slabs. And what is scheme of partial integration? It says after you take basic exemption, after you take this from your taxable income, this area will be consumed, occupied, exhausted used by agriculture income, and this slab will be exhausted. It will not be available for your taxable income. The agriculture income will only eat the slab, not create any tax liability, but the slab will get over. So start using slab. If you have to use 5 lakh agriculture income, so this will get over, and here also 2.5 will get over. So in short, our basic exemption is over from here. Then our 5% bracket is over with agriculture income, and in our 20% bracket 2.5 is over with agriculture income, because total agriculture is 5 lakh. Now this remaining slab of 2.5 we will use here. So out of 12.5, another 2.5 went. Out of 15, 2.5 came here, 2.5 came here. So 5 lakh over, and now the remaining 10 lakh, the taxable income will be taxed at 30%, and accordingly our tax calculation finally will come to like this. What is going to be our tax calculation? Okay, taxable income will eat the slab, basic exemption 2.5, taxable income 2.5 will come here because this slab is over and here also 2.5 is over. So 5 lakh over, and the remaining 10 lakh will come here at 30%. Thus the tax will be 2.5 at 20%, 50,000, and 10 lakh at 30%, 3 lakh, and the basic tax liability will come to 3.5 lakh. Normally on 15 lakh, if you calculate tax, you will not get 3.5 lakh. You will get up to 10 lakh, 1 lakh 12,500, and remaining 5 lakh 150. That will make it about 262,500. 262,500. If you do not have any agriculture income benefit and you directly have only 15 lakh taxable income, on 15 lakh you can apply the slabs. Basic tax will come to 2,62,500. But here you have already taken agriculture income benefit, and thus if I have to speak partial integration again in one line, if you have agriculture income, your other income will be taxed at higher rates. Your other income will be taxed at higher rates because slab is already used by agriculture income. Your other income will be taxed at higher rates. Is that understood? That's the logic. Okay. So basic tax will come to this. Surcharge, if applicable, because we all know surcharge comes after 50 lakh rupees. So in our example, it will not be applicable because in our example, income was only 15 lakh. Once basic tax is done, remaining is same. Surcharge if applicable, and HEC is always applicable at 4% as we are aware of, right? And if you don't want to go by the logic here, if this is still difficult, I have some magic also. Follow the following steps. Do the 3 steps, and your tax calculation will be over. Step number 1, add agriculture income and non-agriculture income. Assume that full 20 lakh is taxable. Calculate basic tax. If you calculate basic tax on 20 lakh rupees, you can find out it will be 4 lakh 12,500, because first 10 lakh it will be 1 lakh 12,500 and balance 10 lakh it will be 3 lakh. So 4 lakh 12,500. Total income on this total 20 lakh, calculate tax. We all know that's not our final answer because tax is calculated only on 15 lakh. But then logic is that 15 will be taxed at higher rates, and for that the steps are calculate tax on total 20 lakh. That's not our final answer. This 412,500 is not our final answer. Step number 2, now take the total of agriculture income and basic exemption. Agriculture income of 5 lakh, basic exemption 2.5, that is 7.5 lakh, and on 7.5 lakh if you apply slabs, you will get tax on 62,500. So total income, agriculture, non-agriculture, calculate tax, and then basic exemption plus agriculture, calculate tax. Agriculture plus non-agriculture, calculate tax. Basic exemption plus agriculture, calculate tax, and your final answer of basic tax is going to be this 4,12,500 minus 62,500, 1 minus 2, and if you observe carefully, you still get the same answer, 62,500. So basically, we are taxing your normal income at higher slabs because you have already taken the benefit of agriculture income, and that is your scheme of partial integration. And for this there are conditions. Only if these conditions are fulfilled, the scheme is applicable. Otherwise the scheme will not be applicable. Condition 1, assessee has to be individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, artificial juridical person. Of course, slabs are applicable only to this assessee. Go check the tax rates of company and firm. They have flat rate of tax. Slabs are not applicable only. So applicable only to this assessee. Non-agriculture income has to be more than basic exemption. See, we observe carefully, the basic exemption was given to non-agriculture income. Agriculture income started consuming slabs, exhausting our slabs from 5%. Basic exemption will be for non-agriculture. So, if non-agriculture is not exceeding basic exemption, it will be zero tax only. And third, agriculture income should also be more than 5,000 rupees. That's on the accounting concept of materiality. If agriculture income is more than 5,000, then only it makes sense to apply a scheme like this. So, the three conditions are: assessee should be an assessee having slabs, individual HUF, AOP, BOI, AJP. Second, non-agriculture income should be more than basic exemption limit. And third, agriculture income should be more than 5,000. Once these three conditions are fulfilled, then only scheme of partial integration will apply, where we will give basic exemption to our taxable income, and then our slabs will be consumed by agriculture income. Till the time we have agriculture income, keep on consuming slab, consume slab, consume slab. Once agriculture income is over, the remaining slabs you give to your taxable income, and if that is not comfortable to you, then follow the following steps, 3 steps. Agriculture and non-agriculture, calculate tax. Agriculture and basic exemption, calculate tax. The difference between them is your answer, and that is your scheme of partial integration. Thank you very, very much.